Fucking hell, these people are insanely pushy. Thank you, that was nice. I'm going to stick your number plate on there too.
Pardon?
Yeah, I'll be sticking your number plate on there too. I see you have an unrestrained dog, is that correct?
A what?
An unrestrained dog in the front seat.
No, he's very trained.
He's very trained, is he? But he's unrestrained. Well, that's also reportable. I'll go after you, I'm not going in front. Unrestrained dog. KR19ZCL, LP73-EWB. Yeah, that is confusing, that light there. We will filter past him, but we'll wait for an appropriate moment.